Hello everybody. Today we are going to be not complaining. Now, I said in my other videos that I'd complain about stuff, but we're not going to really do that. Today I'm going to talk about why video games can actually help you learn. Now, some of you guys are like saying, "Well, I didn't come to your channel just to listen to you talk about video games." No, we're not talking about that. I'm just talking about because video games can really actually help you. Like, some video games really can help you. Like, I'm not talking about like video games like math video games, like, just the average normal video games like what are those video games called? Like, I don't know, just video games that help you learn. Like, I don't know, like if you like look up like math educational video game things, like they'll pop up like, like a multiplication thing, and then like the thing I hate is like something I used to have a thing called Splash Math, like the intro or the little logo they had was like a crab. He was really like annoying, and that was something I had to deal with. Splash Math, not sponsored, definitely. I would never sponsor this thing. I'm not saying it's bad, like it would help you. It's just that I really hate like math, because who likes math? Like, seriously, most people don't. Well, I kind of like math. It's just, like they had like a crab that was just like this. It was actually like an orange crab, which is not. I don't even know. I don't know. I don't know what it looks like, but like I could like look up, like, one of them. If you look up like Splash Math crab, you look at it and it's like a crab that has like polka dots. It's like weird, It just, why? I'm not talking about those apps that like whenever you would be on it, there was like different things. Like it would ask you, like, it was like fish, because Splash Math fish. I'm trying to draw a fish, but it's not turning out good. It doesn't matter. It's just fish, just the average normal fish. Beep. This looks like the fish from wait, what I'm drawing looks like the fish from that one movie. What, Ariel, is that what it is? Like the underwater girl thingy. It's like a show. I don't know. When I was young, I went to like, those little ice shows they have. Well, when I was little, I remember I went to one, and then there was like people there was like actually like hockey nets, and they did like some sort of hockey thing. It was weird. I don't know. Just the old memories. But it was weird. I don't remember it a ton, but it was a while ago. It was like whenever I was like 7, I think. I don't know. But it doesn't matter. What we're talking about is games like Call of Duty. And you're like, wait, what? Call of Duty? Like, the gun shooting game. Some of you people probably maybe heard of it. Most people probably have, Like, there's a meme on it, like, get no-scoped. That was an old meme. I hated it. It was kind of annoying. So you just got, Call of Duty. And then you got your gun. And this looks really bad because it's not. I was trying to draw a scope, and then you just got, Like I said in my first video, I'm not a drawing channel, so. Like, look at it. Like, that's just, no, I don't. I'm not a drawing channel, so I already told you that, but. So what we're talking about is like games like Call of Duty, or what's another one? There's also games like games that improve your hand-eye coordination. Also like Grand Theft Auto, because that can help. The Grand Theft Auto. Isn't it like a big V is like their logo? I don't even remember. Yeah, it's like a V like this. That's bad. That's a bad drawing. Like, that looks stupid. Okay, yeah, we're talking games like that because you know, just your hand, hand-eye coordination. I don't know, like, how it improves you with math. Now that I think of it, it kind of doesn't really do anything with math. I don't care. Deep, deep, deep. There's like a disease, or not a disease, like OC. It's like an OCD thing. Like whenever you draw an eye, people like get scared that like someone's watching them. Like I don't know why people think that, but you know, it's okay. You know what? This would be a better eye if I just did something like this, and then just made. Yeah, this is gonna look like a good eye. Yeah, this is gonna look good, and I just need the fill tool. That'd make it easier. And just grab the fill tool. Yay, little eye. And then all we need is just whip. Yay. I don't really care, because that's like, it's okay, you know. Wait, I can't draw a perfect circle. Like, well, no one can really draw a perfect circle. It's like extremely hard to do. So yeah, yeah, that's fine. That's an eye. So, and then you got hand. You know, you need to draw a hand. Why am I even doing this? I don't know. Why? Oh yeah, there was also like a video I saw. It was like people that can't draw hands. You have to draw like down here, and then like this, and then one of these, and one of these. I don't know. It looked better in the picture than what that looks like. But yeah, so hand-eye coordination. I guess it helps you with math, kind of. So whenever you're looking at something, you see a 3 and not a 2. Because if you saw a 3 and it was supposed to be a 2, then you'd get it wrong. Like if it was like 3, this is what you saw in your mind, you saw 3 plus 2 equals 5. You're like, oh, it's just 5, and then, but then if you used to say, oh, it looks like 2 plus 2, then you're like, oh, 4. But that kind of relates to like not sleeping, because a lot of us probably have had those times where we haven't slept. I live in Pennsylvania, and we have these tests called the PSSAs, and they are probably like the world's worst test. They're annoying. You guys probably, like other people probably, whenever they were younger, if you're like older and you don't take school anymore, you've probably had like some sort of test relating to what state you have, unless you live in like a different country, because then you probably have some other different test. But school sucks, you know. We usually think of them as prisons. That's what I think of. It's just, no, sometimes it's okay. It's just after a while it kind of gets annoying, and you have to do it every day. Well, not every day. You get those little vacations, unless you live in Florida, because I know people in Florida have they do 3 days of school. Or not 3 days, 3 months. This is what I heard. I don't know if people in Florida are watching this and you're like saying, no, this is wrong, that's wrong. Well, I'm sorry. This is just what I heard. So, like, people in Florida, they have like 3 months of school, and then they then have a month off of school. So it's like you never have like the summer off, because like usually in Florida summer is just like every day, almost, you know, because it's Florida. You know, you got a lot of, this is supposed to be a pillow, if you guys are wondering, and this is like a bed. So these little gray things are the pillows. This is the bed. This would look like a bed of some like person who didn't have enough money to buy a bed, if you know what I mean. You know, like this is like if any of you have the bed, I didn't. I'm sorry. Okay, well, we had to end off the video here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You know, it's an okay channel, you know. We're just starting off with YouTube. Hoping that I can have a good career of YouTube. So, it's okay. You know, I have another channel, but I don't want to say it because the channel that my other channel has is probably like the worst channel ever because it's just bad. Yep. It's just bad. Okay. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next episode. Have a good time of taking your math test, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.